How far could I go? Spread my wings, I could fly.
Si Trisha, ano yan, actually mabait yan, masunurin, masipag din yan. Pagmahal yan, lalo na sa ate niya.
Yun lang, medyo makulit siya minsan, tapos medyo moody iyakin, pero mabait naman siya.
Feeling now we're alive. I put my hands to the skies. My dreams they come alive. Yeah, my dreams they come alive. And I pray. I run to the wind and I jump through the fire. Yeah, I jump through the fire. Yes, I can. Oh, 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 oh. Yes, I can. Oh, 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 oh.
Happiest birthday, Trisha. Even though we always bicker, just know that I'm always rooting for you and I can't wait for you to achieve everything you want in your life. Yun lang. I love you.
Yes, I can. Come with me, everybody. Take my hand, yes, I can. Come with me, everybody. Take my hand, yes, I can. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
Happy birthday, Trisha! Wish namin sa inyo nak, sana maging mabait ka na bata. Wag titigas ang ulo, then sumunod lang sa amin ni mama at papa at ni ate. Dito lang kami para may guide ka, then
Used to feel so invisible. Now you see me, now you don't. Life was always so typical. Close my eyes and dream alone.
Sana makinig ka palagi sa amin ng mama at ng papa mo. Tapos, laging may takot sa Diyos. Huwag pababayaan ng pag-aaral. I-enjoy mo lang yung school, anak, kahit na hindi mo makuha yung top na gusto mo, basta ma-enjoy mo lang yung pag-aaral mo. Okay na kami doon.
I got nothing on my mind aside from what's straight ahead of me. Now I'm flying and my arms are open wide. 'Cause now I think I finally see this is my moment. I'm singing above the noise. This is my moment. I finally found my voice. My feet on the ground, no backing down. I'm in the spotlight now. This is my moment, so I'm gonna own it. This is my moment finally.
Happy birthday, Ate Trisha! Happy birthday, Trisha!
I can see anything when I look into the mirror. Nothing stopping me.
mahal na mahal ka namin nak. Dito lang kami lagi para sa inyo ni ate. Huwag lang matigas ang ulo.
Let's step it up and mix it up, yeah. Say hello to all the sides of you. You never know who you might find. The path is brighter, it's getting wider. Now I think it's finally time. I got nothing on my mind.
Lagi ka namin iso-support, tsaka magiging mabuting anak lang, okay na kami doon. Mahal na mahal ka namin, anak.
Sabi nak,